How to use presets for travel photography. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and select the travel photo you want to edit. Browse your Lightroom presets and choose one that complements the scene, whether it's landscape, cityscapes, beaches, or cultural shots. Next, apply the preset by tapping it. After applying, check the photo for adjustments needed. Fine-tune exposure, highlights, shadows, contrast, white balance, temperature, and saturation to enhance the natural beauty of the location. You can tweak clarity, vibrance, and tone curves to achieve the perfect travel look. Once you are satisfied with your edits, save the edited settings as a custom preset so you can quickly apply the same style to future travel photos. Now you know how to use presets for travel photography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.